Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, we're going to take a look underneath the RZR here after we've taken it for a couple rides, and it's been quite a while since I changed all the fluids in it. I mean, at least 2 or 3 months probably, somewhere around there. And I just kind of already took a look and it looks good, but I was going to show you underneath here and show you that we actually did, it looks like, take care of that oil leak just by tightening up that oil filter. And I don't see any other leaks anywhere as well. I was a little bit worried about the front end just because I had problems with that fill plug and that kind of stuff as well. So we're just going to take a quick look underneath here, make this a hopefully fairly quick little video, and talk about a couple things that are coming up. So first thing we're looking at is underneath here, and yes, it's pretty dirty. As you can see, I went through some mud and muck, but not seeing any problems with the drain plug here. There's no oil leaking back here at all. Now as far as greasing these, I am seeing quite a bit of grease squeezing out here and here. Same with these two on this side. But also, as far as that, I have actually bought new bushings now to do the whole entire rig. So keep an eye out for that video coming up here, hopefully shortly. Then we'll come on back here, go underneath and go to the back here. That's where the oil fill or oil drain plug is. As you can see, we don't have any wet oily spots at all in that area, so it seems like the fluids are staying here. Yet again, new bushings. I believe those ones, I'm not sure if I actually got the inner ones, to be honest. We'll see when we get to that, but got a video coming up on that, as well as brakes all the way around. Now the big one right here, that is where the whole spot of oil and grease and nastiness was just covered right here, and it was coming out this hole right here, and we don't appear to have anything coming out there at all. As well as I stuck my finger in there and I am not feeling too much. As you can see, there's nothing on there. I can feel there's mud down in here, but it's just mud. It's not coming out black or anything like that. So I think we just had a problem with that oil filter. It was just never put on tight enough, and so it leaked oil. Also, I haven't checked the oil, so hopefully it's still got oil in it. But the rest of it all looks really good. I'm pretty happy. For the most part, it did well. Unfortunately, I also did the greasing in the rear end, and with that tool. I got a grease tool that you stick in there, and I'm not sure, I think it's on the other side. I think that side over there is definitely making some sort of noise. Now I couldn't tell. I used the brakes quite a bit, and these brakes were definitely getting low, so I'm hoping it's just a scraping sound of a brake, but it could be very well that the bearings back here went kaput. It kind of did sound more like a bearing noise, or a whooshy noise, I guess you would say. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, check it out, put some doors on here, and yes, they open and close very nicely. And no, I didn't spend a bunch of money on them. They are eBay doors, and they actually fit good. Pain in the butt to do it, but they fit good, so go check out that video as well. So there you go, now you know. I think we fixed all the oil problems, and I don't see any fluids anywhere underneath this thing, so I think it's pretty tight. I don't see any leaks anywhere, so very happy with that, and hopefully that'll keep going that way. Yet again, keep an eye out for several other videos. As you can see right here, I got a box full of parts, and I've done a couple videos already that didn't have these parts, but this right here is a super ATV lift. So I also got that one coming up as well. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.